Well, our internet friend, Stuff with Cletus, asked for cold startups. It's North Carolina, so it's not that cold. I think Left for Dead Garage said it was medium cold, which I'm going to go with that as well. So we're going to start up the shoebox. It's actually raining in my car because my window seal's gone. Let's see what happens here. All right. Don't mind the compressors. Couple pumps. She's alive! Purring like the big ugly kitten she is. Maybe cheating a little bit. Let's start up the fuel injected one. Let's see, key on. I'll zoom out a little bit so you can see it. And this is Dan with Greasy Boy Customs reminding you, start them. It's cold outside. Or bring them in. Knock the wall out in your house and bring them into your living room. Your wives and girlfriends will appreciate it.